Make a great choice today with the 2019 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, bed liner, power mirrors, traction control system, wheel covers, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.